Hi, so I have this wood cutout house and I'm going to be using this milk paint by Sweet Pickins. One is called First Crush and the other is Purple Posies. It's a pretty pastel pink and lavender, and basically they come in powder form and you mix equal parts of powder to water. So here is about a tablespoon of powder, a tablespoon of water, and it gives it kind of like a chalk paint consistency. And if you want it more watered down, then you just add more water. So it's a lot of fun to work with and you get great coverage. So here I'm starting with the First Crush, which is that pastel pink. And I'm just going to be giving the house one coat and also getting those edges and just drying it up really well. And then from here, I'm just taking a wax candle that I got from the Dollar Tree. You could use clear wax, you could use a wax candle, anything, that you prefer. And I just gave it a nice coating in different areas where I wanted that chippy to be. And then once I have my desired wax on, I'm just taking that Purple Posies and I'm giving that a nice coat all over the entire house again. And of course, drying it up really well. And as I'm drying it, you're going to start to see in certain areas a little bit of that top coat of paint already starting to kind of like lift. See that? So then from here, I took my Gator sander and I'm using, like, I would say a medium size grit. Not light, not heavy, somewhere right in the middle. And I'm just giving it a good sanding all over. So this is gonna get it started. So basically, like wherever I did apply the wax and that paint started to chip up a little bit on its own, this is just gonna help the process. And as I hold it up a little bit, see that? You could see where it started to chip and you could see some of that pink coming through. Then I took a scraper, and you could get this from a hardware store. And I just went ahead and went in all different directions, including the sides, and just got any more of that extra paint that didn't come off while sanding. See that? How cool that is. And you could use this with any two colors. Then I went ahead and I stenciled it. Thanks for watching.